Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to take screenshot in CarX Street. If you want to take a screenshot on CarX Street, then first of all, launch open your CarX Street game on your device. Once you do that, go ahead and tap on the pause icon at the top left corner and get to this page where you need to click on screenshot. Now, adjust the height, angle of your frame, of your screen. You can also tilt the image if you want, zoom in and out by using the tool available. Select if you want the driver inside the car or not. Choose where you want the logo of CarX Street and then choose the logo style and finally click on the shutter icon at the bottom and select where you want to share your screenshot. You can use any messaging application, your contact from your device, and you'll be able to share your screenshot. So that is how you take a screenshot in CarX Street. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.